In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check user license count in Salesforce. Whether you're managing a growing team or simply trying to ensure that all your licenses are being utilized effectively, understanding how to access and analyze this information is essential for any Salesforce administrator. Let's begin by navigating to the homepage of your Salesforce dashboard. This is where you'll start almost any task in Salesforce, giving you a broad overview and access to various options and functionalities. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already comfortable. Next, you'll want to locate the Quick Settings icon. Think of this as your go-to spot for making immediate adjustments or finding in-depth administrative options. Clicking here will open a menu with several different paths you can take. From that menu, we're going to select the Open Advanced Setup option. This step is crucial as it leads you to a more detailed level of configuration, where you can manage all aspects related to your Salesforce environment. Once you're in the advanced setup, there's a search bar at the top. You'll want to type in company information. This precise search term will guide you directly to an area where you can access company settings, including the licenses you're interested in reviewing. After hitting enter, you'll click on the company information link. It's here that Salesforce gathers all your essential organizational data. Scroll through and familiarize yourself with the details available, but our primary focus will be the license counts. Now, we'll zero in on the User Licenses section. This part of the page displays a breakdown of all user licenses associated with your Salesforce account. Understanding this will allow you to see how many licenses have been allocated and how many remain, which is particularly useful for planning future expansions or changes in your organization. Apart from user licenses, there's also a section labeled Permission Set Licenses. These are more specialized licenses, granting additional capabilities beyond what's offered by basic user licenses. By analyzing this section, you can gain insights into how different roles within your organization are distributed and whether changes need to be made. Lastly, focus on feature licenses. This area highlights licenses that activate specific features not covered by other types. Understanding these licenses enables you to make full use of Salesforce's capabilities, expanding how you and your team can leverage its myriad of features. By following these steps, you should now be equipped with the know-how to effectively check and understand license counts within Salesforce. Remember, regular monitoring of this information is integral to maintaining an efficient and functional working environment, enabling better planning and resource allocation. Thank you for watching this instructional video. Please feel free to refer back to this guide whenever you need a refresher, and don't hesitate to explore further as you become more comfortable navigating Salesforce.